Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Salsa de Arbol. This fiery condiment is surprisingly simple to prepare at home, bringing authentic Mexican flavor to your table. We will cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving that perfect balance of heat and tang. Get ready to elevate your meals with this delicious, homemade salsa. It's a versatile sauce that pairs wonderfully with tacos, eggs, or as a vibrant dip. The first crucial step is roasting your ingredients. Place your 10 chilies de arbol and 2 Roma tomatoes on a hot comal or skillet. Roast them over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning frequently. You want them to be slightly charred and softened, which brings out their deep, smoky flavors. This roasting process is key to developing the rich taste of your salsa, so don't rush it. Once roasted, carefully transfer all your ingredients into a blender. Add 1/4 cup of water, 1 small clove of garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend everything until you achieve your desired consistency. Some prefer a chunkier salsa, while others like it perfectly smooth. Taste and adjust the salt if needed, or add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a brighter flavor. This step brings all those wonderful roasted notes together. Your homemade salsa de arbol is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with tacos, quesadillas, or as a spicy kick to any meal. For storage, transfer any leftovers to an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 5 days. This salsa is best enjoyed fresh, but it also stores well. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals. Enjoy the vibrant, spicy flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.